How to make money as a freelancer, 5 simple steps to success. Are you looking for a way to work from home? A freelancer is a person who's hired to work on a project by the hour, day or week. As a freelancer, you can set your schedule and be responsible for your success. In this video we will cover what will help you to get started. Define your skills, get yourself out there, narrow down your niche, how to find clients, and managing your finances. Define your skills. It's important to know what you're best at. For example, if you have a background in marketing, you can promote your skills as an online marketer on platforms such as Upwork. If you are skilled in graphic design, then you could offer your services on Fiverr or other freelance websites. Get yourself out there. The first step to success as a freelancer is to promote yourself. Whether it's through social media or networking, you need to get your name and skills out there. Have you ever heard of Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace where people offer services for $5. You can offer these types of services for cheap, but still make money since the price is set at $5. You might even find people on Fiverr who will do your work for you if you don't want to do it yourself. You can also use sites like Upwork or freelancer.com, which are platforms that connect buyers with sellers all across the globe. With these platforms, you're able to submit a profile with your qualifications, experience, and pricing. Then when a buyer finds a match, they can post jobs on the site for freelancers to bid on. You just think about what skills and talents you have, go find the right freelancing site for them, then start submitting proposals. Narrow down your niche. The first step to making money as a freelancer is to identify the niche you want to work in. This will help you create a profile of your ideal customer and determine which sites, social media channels, or blogs are the best places for you to find clients. Maybe you're looking for marketing positions, so it would make sense for you to join LinkedIn or other job boards that target marketing positions. If you're looking for photography gigs, joining Instagram or Flickr might be a good idea. And if you want business jobs, LinkedIn is an excellent place to start. How to find clients? To find clients, it is best to start by asking friends or family members for referrals. They are the most affordable and close to your heart. You may not have a list of potential clients yet, but getting one from this group is easy. Next, you can post on job boards like Indeed.com or search for a company with an open position that looks similar to what you have experience in and applies for the job. After that, let's consider social media platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook. If you have a profile up on these platforms, it will be easier to contact companies looking for freelancers. Finally, try posting something on Craigslist or becoming a member of sites like freelancer.com where people advertise themselves as freelancers who are looking for work. Managing your finances. A major part of being a freelancer is managing your finances. Since you're self-employed, you need to keep track of how much money you've made and spent. You can use a spreadsheet or budgeting software like Mint to help you with this. You also need to have an emergency fund in case anything comes up that requires money you don't have, like when your car breaks down. It's important that as a freelancer, you treat your business like a business. Make sure you create budgets for the different aspects of your business, including marketing, supplies, and equipment. You need to know how much money each aspect of your business needs and the return it will bring so that if something does come up and you need extra cash, then you know where to get it from. When it comes time to pay taxes as a freelancer, be sure to keep track of what expenses are tax deductible so that you don't end up paying more than necessary at tax time. With the right tools and a little bit of initiative, freelancing can be a great way to make money on your terms.